Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is simple interest. This topic is very important for competitive exams. Utilizing the traditional formula for finding simple interest, it consumes a lot of time. So that I'm going to tell you a shortcut trick which you can solve this type of problems within a few seconds. Let's start. Find the simple interest of $1,000 for 10 years at 6% per annum. The given values are P is $1,000, R is 6%, and the time is 10 years. First we use formula to find this interest. So how can you find the interest? I equal to PTR by 100. This is the traditional formula to find the interest. So P value is 1000, then T is 10 years, then R is 6% divided by 100. So you will get 600. So this is the interest. The interest, when you add the principal, then only you will get the amount. So this interest 600 add to the principal which is 1000, then you will get the amount. This is the traditional way to solve this. Here what you are observing here, the interest, when you add to the principal, then only you get the amount. Just keep that point in mind. Now I show you how to use our trick. Whenever you add the interest to the principal, then only you get the amount. So the trick is just consider the principal as 100%. Then what is the interest percentage? So how you get the interest? Here they are giving the rate is 6%. For 1 year the rate is 6%. So but they are giving 10 years. So you have to calculate for 10 years. So for 1 year 6% means for 10 years is 60%. The interest is 60%. 100% plus 60% will get 160%. Now if you find 160% of 1000, then you will get your answer. How can you find the 160% of 1000? In my previous video I explained about this type of percentages. I would highly recommend you to watch our videos on percentages. Then you will understand how to find within few seconds 160% of 1000. First what you have to do? First find what is 100%. So 100% is 1000. So what is 10%? 10% is you have to, from right hand side, move one digit and keep a decimal point. So that means you will get 100. So this 160 you split into 100 plus 60% of 1000. So what is 100% of 1000? Is 1000 plus what is 60% of 1000? So 10% is 100, 60% is 600. So just add 600. So after adding you will get 1600. Find the total amount needed to repay a loan of $2,400 borrowed for 3 years at 10% per annum simple interest. So what the given value? Given value is principal is 2,400. Rate is 10%. Time is 3 years. First find the percentage of this amount. So first principal, when you adding the interest to principal you will get the amount. So this principal you consider as 100%. Interest is for 1 year it is 10%. For 3 years it is 30%. So amount is 130%. What is 130% of 2,400? What is 100% of principal is 2,400. This is for 100%. So then 10% is 240. So if you multiply both sides by 3, you will get 30%. What is 240 times 3? That is 720. If you add these two, so what is 130%? We will add these two, we will get 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 7, 11, 2 plus 1, 3. So your amount is $3,120. Without formula, you can solve this type of questions. If you are really enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Find the total amount needed to repay a loan of $7,500 borrowed for 1/2 years at the rate of 8% per annum. First, find the principal plus interest. This principal you consider as 100% and the interest is for 1 year is 8%. For 2.5 years you will get 20%. So you have to find out what is 120% of 7,500. What is 100% is 7,500. What is 10%? First find 10% is 750. So what is 20%? If you multiply 2 by both sides, you will get 1,500. After adding these two, 120% is 9,000. Like that, without using formula, you can solve this type questions. The question is, Ram borrowed $1,500 to start his trade store. The interest charged on this loan was $590. Calculate the loan repayment. So the given values are principal, which is $1,500, and also they are giving interest $590. Here they are not giving any time in and they are not giving any rate. So simply they are giving principal and interest. How can you get the amount? Whenever we add the interest to the principal, then only you get the amount. So they are giving directly. The principal is 1,500 and the interest they are given, so 590. Simply add this, then you will get the amount. After adding, you will get $2,090. So according to the question, you have to give your answers. Find the simple interest charged when $5,000 is borrowed for 1 year at 12% per annum. Simple interest. So find the simple interest. So here the question is to find the interest only. The given values, time is 1 year and the rate is 12%. How can you get the interest? So for 1 year you had 12%. So the interest is 12% only. Just find the what is 12% of 5,000. That's it. What is 12% of 5,000? 100% is 5,000. 10% is 500 plus 1% is 50. What is 2%? 2% is 100. So 10% is 500, 2% is 100. After add these two, we will get 600. So here they are asking only interest. So you also find only the interest. So this interest here no need to add to the principal. When this interest you add to the principal, you will get the amount. But here they are not asking the amount. They are asking only the how much is charged for this principal 5,000. So according to the question, you have to give your answer. Find the simple interest charged when principal is 2,500 euros at the rate of 8% and the time is 2 years. Find the simple interest charged when 2,500 euros is borrowed for 2 years at 8% per annum simple interest. Here also they are asking how much the simple interest is charged. So you have to find only the interest value. First take the interest. How you will get the interest? So for 1 year is 8%, 2 years is 16%. So just find what is 16% of 2,500. 100% is 2,500, 10% is 250, 1% is 25 and 6% is 150. Interest is $400. An amount of $3,500 is invested in a savings account which pays simple interest at a rate of 7.5% per annum. Calculate the balance accumulate by the end of 2 years. Here they are asking amount. So given principal value is $3,500 and the rate is, the time is 2 years. So how can you get the amount? Whenever the principal is added to the interest, you will get your amount. So just principal consider as 100%. The interest is for 1 year is 7.5%. 2 years is 15%. So just simply find out 115% of 3,500. This 115 you can split it as 100, 10, then 5. After adding you will get 115% value. What is 100% of 3,500? Which is 3,500. What is 10%? 350. What is 1%? 35. But here you have to find 5%. 1% is 35. 5% is 175. After adding this all, you will get $4,025. This is the balance you will get end of the 2 years. Like that, without using any formula, you can solve this type of questions. If you like this content, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.